and welcome to the Party Center Speaks podcast. This is the podcast for family entertainment center and event venue owners, operators, managers, and staffers looking to grow their business. Want to learn more about how you can increase party bookings, improve facility operations, and other topics? This is the podcast for you. My name is Laura Canellas, and I'm the marketing manager here at Party Center Software. In this episode, we're going to read our ebook on how you can use reporting data to grow your business. We hope you enjoy this presentation. Introduction. Data is a business asset. Collecting and analyzing customer data can help fuel your efforts to drive repeat business, market to new customers, and grow brand awareness. Data can also expose different opportunities for your business to improve and help you discern what to focus on next. Perhaps your data shows that it's time to rotate food items or redemption prizes that you have available. Or your customer feedback surveys keep mentioning that service could be improved and it's time to offer more coaching to your staff. Whatever the scenario, data is king and can help you figure out what you need to do to better your day-to-day operations. In this ebook, we offer key recommendations on where and how to collect relevant data that'll help you drive business growth. We'll also teach you how Party Center Software reports can help you better understand your unique target demographic, how to market or remarket to your audience, and so much more. At PCS, we're actively working to create the best content for FECs, event venues, and other verticals. Please be sure to subscribe to our blog for more great content, follow us on social, and join the PCS community group on Facebook. Let's grow together. Chapter 1: Data Fuels Business Growth. You're probably wondering, how can I collect relevant customer data? There are so many reports, insights, and analytic tools out there. What's the most important and valuable source of data I can use for my business? First, think of all your touch points. Where do you interact with your customers? You do so in person, of course, at your facility, but you also interact with them digitally when they go onto your social profile or onto your website. Consider capturing data both in person and digitally. Be it when customers come to your facility and try to log into your Wi-Fi. For example, Hound offers a tool that asks users to fill out a form before they can connect to your Wi-Fi. Or when they hop onto your website and want to subscribe to your promo email newsletter. Be sure to ask them for their name and email. How to collect customer data. Here are the most popular tools top FECs use to collect relevant data. Number 1, Google Analytics. Google Analytics allows you to track a customer's journey throughout your website. You can track what pages get viewed most often, if there's any trends, if a specific attraction page is more popular than another, how many views your online booking page receives, how many views convert into parties from your online booking page, which page leads them bouncing or leaving the site most often, and how many people visit your site daily, what events causing that to spike. If you know that a lot of people visit your website from organic search, you may want to focus on continuing to improve your search engine optimization so that your website ranks higher on Google. If a lot are coming from Facebook, then you'll want to focus on building up your posting consistency or targeting specific customers with tailored ads. All of these actions are first derived from what the data says and can lead to revenue growth for your business. Number 2, Forms and Waivers. Forms allow you to capture great data, everything from the customer's name, phone number, email, birth date, and so much more. Digital waivers don't just help you protect your business. If you're a PCS customer, you can also use your digital waivers to ask customer-specific questions. For instance, you can ask customers where they first heard about your facility, or you can capture more information about your most effective marketing channels. Did they find you through Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok? Then you can choose whether to expand upon or look for new outlets to promote your business and attract new customers. You can embed forms on your website through automation platforms such as PCS Marketing Automations, and then you can collect sign-up data from your newsletter as well. You can also partner with a platform like Hound and set up a free Wi-Fi connection for customers while also using it as a tool to collect more data as mentioned previously. This will allow you to send follow-up emails to customers that have already visited your facility and is another great way to drive repeat business. Number 3, social media. Social media insights are a great way to gather more information about your customers. On Facebook, for example, you can import your customer list and create a custom audience for ads retargeting. This way, you can run ads directed toward that audience and track whether they effectively increase bookings. Facebook knows a lot about this custom audience you created, such as their demographic, location data, likes and dislikes, median income, and so forth. You can then run ads at people who look like those who have already visited your FEC. This is a great way to connect with new potential customers and increase brand awareness. By adding your Facebook pixel to your website, you can also retarget website visitors on Facebook. If you've ever had an ad seemingly follow you around, that's the Facebook pixel at work. Number 4, facility management software. Your facility management software is a great resource for capturing data that you can then use to tailor your marketing activities towards your target demographic. If you're a PCS customer, you can pull various reports from your software that can help you identify new opportunities, like what type of parties are most frequently booked, or who has an upcoming birthday so that you can email them a promo. In Chapter 2, we'll go over some of our favorite PCS reports. Number 5, customer surveys. Customer feedback surveys are often overlooked, but they're a great way to get data and info on how you can improve your party experience, facility, customer service, and more. Making data actionable. After you've captured the data, you have to put it into action. What's the point of setting up these systems if you don't use the information available at your fingertips? First, make sure to schedule some time to take a look at the info collected and develop a list of potential improvements you can make. We recommend that you do this annually, quarterly, and even monthly to make sure that you're on track to meet your goals. If you keep reading in your customer feedback surveys that your facility needs to improve its cleanliness, develop a plan for how you will do so. You may have to retrain staff or add a cleaning procedures list and schedule it into your playbook. Perhaps you notice that one party package is doing better than another in terms of revenue, or that customers aren't really adding the add-ons you have available. Maybe it's time for a revamp of party packages and add-on items. You can work on adding better photos, descriptions, or simply rotating what you have available. If you notice that your website performance isn't where you want it to be, it may be time to revamp your website or improve mobile compatibility. The key here is to set time aside every month or quarter, or both, to look at the data and come up with ideas on how you can improve your business and marketing efforts. Chapter 2, Party Center Software Reports. Our top 8 reports for business growth and improvement. Are you still using that giant binder or even post-it notes to keep track of your customers? Handwritten logs or even an out-of-date point of sale aren't going to be the best at helping you create a database or associate transactions with a certain customer. You need to have easily available digital information. One of the greatest advantages of using an online booking software is how quickly the following questions can be answered by pulling a report. Who are your most loyal guests? What type of parties are most frequently booked? Who has an upcoming birthday? If you're using PCS as your booking solution, guest data is automatically collected as your guests complete the online booking process. You can customize the info they are required to enter or have the option of entering. New customers will have a profile created for them and will be logged for future use. Here's a list of our top 8 PCS reports that can help you grow your business. Number 1. The Customer Loyalty Report. This report allows you to see who your top customers are. You can easily sort by order date, which can help you understand how far in advance they book parties at your facility. This report also highlights how much total revenue you've earned from top customers, what they purchase, their email, whether you can solicit, and so much more. You can easily export this report as an Excel or CSV file and import or upload the information into an email automation platform like PCS Marketing Automations. Using this list, you may want to consider setting up a special VIP party for top customers to test new attractions, a new game, or any new product or feature you'd like to introduce. These customers are valuable brand advocates that help spread the word about your business. A great time to pull this report would be annually when you usually build your marketing plan for the year, as well as quarterly so you can pivot where necessary. With this data, you can plan your next email campaign or social posts ahead of time and continue to nurture your customers effectively. Number 2, the Party Statistic Report. This report allows you to pull party statistics by year, month, week, and day. It also allows you to compare data from one year to another and provides an event, revenue, or average ticket graph. With this data, you'll get a better idea of the popularity and profitability of any given party option. Number 3, the Customer Detail Report. This report will deliver an overview of all customer accounts at your facility. It includes info about your guests as well as their dependents. You can check out customer birthday months, orders, last order date, and more. With this data, you can effectively remarket and identify your target customers. Number 4, orders by product. This report allows you to see every product sold via your online store, point of sale, in-house, and online party booking module. You can also see the order status, whether it's pending or closed, and any open quotes for parties that you may have. You can use this data to determine what's selling in your online store or what items might need to be rotated. Number 5, the Invoice Balance Report. This report shows you all of your orders and whether payments were made. As mentioned above, keeping track of your deposits, especially during these times, is critical. Number 6, the Tip Report. This report shows any tips your employees receive throughout the day, week, or month. This is a great report to pull daily to record and make sure any tips are paid out to your employees. Number 7, the Vendor Report. This report shows all vendor information and is especially useful for staff. It helps to make sure that you order enough pizzas for private events or that you know who to contact if you need redemption prizes. With this report, you can quickly determine what needs to get ordered for what party or event. The information in this report can be easily integrated with your QuickBooks or other accounting systems so long as products have the same name in both systems. Number 7, the Vendor Report. The information in this report can be easily integrated with your QuickBooks or other accounting systems so long as products have the same name in both systems. This allows you to track inventory and easily run a report of what you sold and import said report into QuickBooks to track sales. This way, you can also determine what food items should be rotated. Number 8, Event Schedule. This report outlines all parties and events that you may have scheduled at your facility daily, weekly, or monthly. It also shows all revenue that will be generated, tips, and links to the closeout summary report, which allows you to see how much money was generated by end of day. By accessing the closeout summary, you can also filter by user to see how each staff member did, as well as by POS terminal. You can receive the invoice, cash, and credit card total for each day. Conclusion. Data can fuel a lot of creative marketing and business growth activities that in turn will help you grow your business. Using our PCS reports, you can pull a report based on birthday month or product purchase via online store and send specific emails using PCS marketing automations with an offering or promo code to get those customers to visit your online store or facility once again. You can also improve day-to-day operations by asking for customer feedback. Pull a customer loyalty report and set up a private event for your top customers to test out new products, menu items, and more. Ask them what you can do to improve their experience at your facility. This will inform your next strategic move. Over time, try to identify any patterns that can help you maximize your efforts. You may notice seasonal changes, differences in the sort of packaged items that are most popular amongst your customer segments, and whether you get more repeat visitors or first-time guests. The opportunities to use data to grow business are endless. If you need any help pulling reports, please be sure to contact your customer success manager. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you have any feedback or have any topics you'd like us to discuss, please be sure to email marketing@partycentersoftware.com. This podcast is a weekly podcast, so you can expect new episodes every Thursday. Party Center Speaks is powered by Party Center Software. We are a facility management tool that helps family entertainment centers and event venues book more parties and manage their facilities. We also offer marketing services such as custom website design and marketing automations to help you expand your reach and grow traffic. If you'd like to know more about us, head over to partycentersoftware.com and be sure to give us a follow at Party Center Software on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, TikTok, and at Party Center Soft on Twitter. Until next time, thanks for listening.